Hello friends, I'm Ihsan from eBangalore Property. We are going to see this beautiful duplex apartment available for sale in JP Nagar extension of Bannagatta Road and Kanakpura Road, centrally located between two metro lines and 5 kilometers from Royal Meenakshi Mall. 4 BHK, 3230 square feet with north facing entrance. In a gated community with all modern amenities, as you can see, beautiful swimming pool, gardens, play area, basketball court, all amenities are there. Please watch complete video, everything is shown in detail. All amenities have been shown. 100% planned as per Vastu, and it is going to be a fully furnished deal. All fittings, interiors, as you are looking at the video, is all in part of the deal. This is kitchen in the southeast corner, Italian kitchen, attached utility, chimney, hob, high quality interiors. Lots of amount has been spent on interior work. Italian marble flooring, puja room in the center. So this is the master bedroom in the southwest corner. High quality interior work, wallpapers, false ceiling, and wardrobes have been done. Fully fitted deal. This is the attached bathroom. The apartment has got OC, CC, BBMP, Khata. All approvals are there. This is common bathroom, and this is the second bedroom. Spacious rooms. The apartment is on 3rd and 4th floor of the project. All approved, 100% as per approved plans. It's a double high ceiling for the living room. The grand entrance. Once you enter the apartment, it looks like an independent villa type house. Doesn't feel like an apartment. The interiors and the spaces, height of the ceiling, everything looks very grand, like an independent villa. So this is the second master bedroom, main master bedroom I would say, in the southwest corner on the second level. It has a raised wooden platform for the bed, matching wardrobe and false ceiling work. AC is fitted, which is included. Very spacious bedroom. TV unit, dressing, walk-in closet area, dressing area, and attached bathroom. Above the wardrobes, projector headlamps are there. Reflective mica sheets have been used. Laminates. So that was master bedroom, third bedroom. This is the fourth bedroom. The apartment has been modified from the original what developer has given. So this is the fourth bedroom with attached bathroom. Small door is there which can be accessed through the corridor, common corridor also. It's a community of 130 apartments, all complete with swimming pool, clubhouse, gym, library, indoor games, play area, all amenities are there. It's a long video, please join me in the complete video. I'll show you all the amenities. So this is the private terrace area. Further access is there above. The apartment has its own solar water heater. All 4 bathrooms are connected. So you get this beautiful view of the central garden, swimming pool, and open play area from the balcony and the terrace above. Let's go to the upper terrace area. Once you enter the apartment, it is completely separate and independent home. So this is the terrace area with solar and AC unit. 38% undivided land share is included, more than 1200 square feet of land share and 2 covered car parking. Now we are in the clubhouse, which is there on the ground floor. It has a very good 5-star type entrance lobby, welcoming all the guests and visitors and occupants of this apartment. From there, clubhouse is connected. Indoor games, separate gymnasium for men and women, yoga aerobics room, reading library. So this is the gym for men. There is a separate ladies gym also. For 130 apartments, the kind of amenities, open space provided by the developer is very big. It will not get overcrowded. It's a large swimming pool, toddler's pool, right around 15 feet space. OC has been received, and the seller has just moved in 3 months back. So these are the amenities, and this is the party hall. Project of 2.3 acres. Basketball court is also there. This is the entrance launch. So totally 4-bedroom hall kitchen duplex house. In the description below all details are mentioned. Thank you for watching this video and do subscribe our channel for latest properties.